Welcome. Let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Let's talk about Coinbase. Let's talk about Binance. Now, Coinbase plus Binance is equals to $1. Now, listen. Binance have been showing great support for LUNC coins. Binance have been showing support by burning, by pushing, by investing, by buying coins of Terra Classic, storing, by posting even on Twitter openly that they really support this coin. Now we believe that Coinbase are not really doing that because they already removed Terra Classic. They listed Terra Classic before after the crash, they decided to remove Terra Classic. Now the question is, people lost a lot using Coinbase, right? People that bought Terra Classic then. Now, if Coinbase plus Binance can come together to list this coin to support the burning, including other exchanges, Terra Classic will be hitting 1 penny within a short period of time, and we will be hitting 10 cents. $100 can be returning $50,000 within a short period of time. Now, Coinbase, Binance are one of the two biggest crypto exchange in the world. Binance are the biggest. When you talk about Binance, you talk about Coinbase. Why won't Coinbase list this coin? There have been so many holders, so many groups that have been tagging Coinbase to list. We know we are not the one to tell them who to list or what to do, but we hope they will support. We hope they will come to support Terra Classic. Because when they list this coin, if so many other crypto exchanges have listed Terra Classic, what is there? We believe, they can show that support. Binance, which is the biggest, have listed, they are burning billions of Terra Classic coins. You see Kucoin, you see crypto.com, get.io, so many crypto exchanges have listed Terra Classic. But now we need Robinhood, we need Coinbase. We need these two to show that support, because they know that when they list Terra Classic, Coinbase knows it, that if they decide to list Terra Classic is going to rise. Coinbase knows if they decide to partner once again, they decide to list once again Terra Classic is going to rise massively, and that is what we are asking for. That is the support we need. If they decide to list this coin today, if they decide to list this coin next month, we also want them to support the burning of Terra Classic. We want them to support the destroying of Terra Classic coins. Then this coin is set to go to the moon. This coin is set to massively increase in price. Now, Coinbase plus Binance will definitely create a history with Terra Classic. Binance and Coinbase will definitely create put smiles on a lot of people's faces. We know it's not easy, but I still know the impact. They're going to create a better impact for Terra Classic. They're going to bring in that push. They're going to bring in that changes, because the 1.2% tax ban will be charging more people. Buying the trading volume will increase, the market cap is going to increase, the price will change, and I believe the price will change positively. We are going to see a bullish, and I hope to see this happen very soon. Imagine Coinbase listing Terra Classic next month, March 2023. That is going to be great. That is coming. Holders will be smiling. Those that are not holding this coin will be rushing to buy this coin. So I think that it is time. We are hoping to see different exchanges support LUNC coin. We are hoping to see different exchanges coming to support Terra Classic, and I believe that even though we all know that what happened to Terra Classic, the crash, of course, Terra Classic can still regain. I know this coin might not hit that level it was as of last year, April and May, but at least holders will be smiling to the bank. Holders will be happy. People will make a lot of money with what? LUNC coin. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to CZ, thank you to Binance. I mean, they have really showing support for Terra Classic. They are burning billions of Terra Classic. They are supporting Terra Classic network upgrade every time. They are ready to show that we are supporting you anytime you need us. For now, now I would say CZ is the backbone. Binance are the backbone of Terra Classic. Without Binance, Terra Classic wouldn't have reached the level it is right now. At least I started getting that trust back again. Please, if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.